Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best baby mirrors for cars that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is BENBAT OLY Active Baby Car Mirror. The BENBAT OLY Active Car Mirror in gray color is a clever item that can bring peace to car rides with a small child. It is designed to mount on a headrest and fits securely using long adjustable straps. The mirror makes it easier for parents to keep a close eye on their baby without needing to turn around while driving. Thanks to its round shape and smart design, it provides a clear view of the back seat from various angles. The mirror offers gentle support for a baby's senses through interactive elements like blinking lights, a glowing smile, and catchy tunes. Soft ears with swirl patterns and 4 calming white noise sounds, such as ocean waves and birdsong, help turn a fussy moment into quiet comfort. The lights and sounds run on 3AA batteries and can be controlled using a simple remote that operates from the front seat. This remote requires a CR2 battery and includes buttons for sound and volume. Built for safety, the mirror is shatter-resistant and has been tested to handle impact. Tabs on the back let users adjust the viewing angle even if the headrest is slanted. Created by 2 brothers focused on crafting thoughtful items for children, the mirror is easy to clean and automatically powers down after 10 minutes to save battery. Whether you are heading to the market or taking a longer trip, the BENBAT OLY Active Car Mirror helps parents enjoy a more relaxed journey while keeping their baby calm and cheerful. In our list, the number 2 product name is Enovoe Baby Car Mirror. The Enovoe Baby Car Mirror is designed for parents who want a better way to check on their baby during car trips. It fits on most vehicle headrests and gives a full view of the backseat. The mirror has a wide surface that makes it easier to see a child clearly from the front seat. It uses a convex shape to show more of the backseat area at once. The mirror is lightweight and made with strong materials. Its design helps it stay in place without shaking or moving while driving. Straps wrap securely around the headrest, holding it tight once fastened. The material used in the mirror makes it tough and resistant to shattering, helping parents feel more at ease while on the road. This car mirror from Enovoe is adjustable and can be tilted in different directions to get the best view possible. The square shape and reflective surface make it clear and easy to check on your baby with just a glance. It comes with a cleaning cloth for wiping smudges and includes a digital book filled with games and ideas to keep your child engaged during travel. Enovoe is run by a family that understands the needs of parents. The product is designed with safety, comfort, and durability in mind. With strong build quality, smooth installation process, and added extras, it aims to bring ease and peace to every car ride with a little one in the backseat. In our list, the number 3 product name is KeaBabies Safety Baby Car Seat Mirror. The KeaBabies Safety Baby Car Seat Mirror in matte black helps make car journeys easier for parents with young children. It is made for use with a rear-facing seat and attaches securely to a removable headrest. This rectangular mirror is built to give a wide and clear view of the baby sitting in the back seat without needing to turn around. The large size makes it easier to monitor the child while staying focused on the road ahead. This mirror has a crystal clear surface that offers a good field of vision. It uses a design that helps drivers get a clear look at the baby from different angles. A strong strap and solid buckle system help keep it steady while the car is moving. Once adjusted properly, the mirror stays firm and does not shift. KeaBabies has made this car seat mirror with durable materials to help it last longer. Its strong build supports day-to-day use and rougher conditions that come with regular driving. The design also includes safety-tested materials, which gives some peace of mind while transporting a small child. Installing this baby mirror does not take much time and does not require extra tools. It comes already put together and connects quickly to a headrest using snap buckles. The flexible joint allows angle changes to find the best position for viewing. Parents with any type of car that has a removable headrest can make use of this mirror for added comfort and better awareness while driving with their baby. In our list, the number 4 product name is Sunferno's safest baby car mirror. The baby car mirror is made to help parents keep their eyes on their baby during every drive. It offers a wide view that makes it simple to check on a child sitting in a rear-facing car seat. This mirror helps parents stay focused while driving by showing a clear reflection without needing to turn around. The surface is built with shatterproof acrylic, offering durability while still giving a wide-angle look. Its design provides strong visibility from the driver's seat so the parent can glance through the rear view and see their baby clearly. This helps reduce stress and brings more comfort during short or long car rides. The mirror stays in place using strong dual straps. These are made to hold the mirror firmly even if the road is uneven or the vehicle moves suddenly. Once set up, it does not need frequent adjustment and stays steady throughout the trip. Its secure hold supports better use in different vehicle types. This mirror works with various cars, including sedans, minivans, and sport utility vehicles. It fits most car seats and headrests, allowing more flexibility when installing. It is suitable for everyday use and aims to bring more ease to the daily travel routine of parents with infants. Made with the safety of children in mind, this mirror is tested for durability and strength. Its wide surface, clear reflection, and secure design give parents a useful solution for staying connected to their baby while keeping their focus on the road ahead. In our list, the number 5 product name is Itomoro View Infant Baby Car Mirror. The Itomoro Baby Car Mirror offers a modern way for parents to watch over their child in a rear-facing seat without needing to turn around. This product includes a display monitor and camera system that mounts on the car's center console and headrest. The camera is built to give a clear and wide view of the back seat, showing the baby's movements while keeping the driver focused ahead. The display screen measures 4.3 inches, offering a larger view compared to regular car mirrors. It helps parents see their child clearly at all times, including during nighttime. The built-in night vision function improves visibility in low-light conditions, making it easier to observe the child even when it is dark outside. This baby car monitor includes a camera that rotates in every direction and covers a wide viewing angle of 149 degrees. This extended range helps capture more of the back seat and allows for flexible positioning based on the car layout. The camera connects to the car's power outlet and starts working as soon as it is plugged in. Installation is simple with no need for extra tools. The camera strap wraps around the headrest and stays firm once set. The monitor mounts on the dashboard or visor where it can be easily seen while driving. Built with a stable design, this system resists shaking and remains steady on rough roads. The Itomoro Baby Car Mirror is built for easy use, clear visuals, and added comfort during family travel. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.